Hello there my friends, and today I'm having a look at the C.Scope CS4MX. Okay, so this is a motion detector that scans at 17 kilohertz. It comes with a 2D head, which is right there. The great thing about these new C.Scope models is that the heads are completely interchangeable, and it's literally a case of boom, putting it out like that and plugging it back in. It's as simple as that. She takes 8 AA batteries, which are easily accessed right there. You just literally unscrew that, and inside there will be a pod where you'll put your 8 AA batteries. And this here is obviously where your headphones go. She's hip mounted, so you can stick that there, the box there, on your belt if you wish. So what do we have on the control box? Okay, firstly we have the ground. Today we're going to set that to auto for simplicity's sake. You can get onto the in the manual, it'll tell you how to change that if you have an understanding of the mineralization and the type of ground you are on. So we're going to leave that to auto today. Sensitivity I've put up to around about, you can hear that there, I don't know if you can hear that, it's quite windy today, but I've put her to about 8, okay, so we're not getting any chattering coming back at us. We have 2 discrimination knobs, disc 1 and disc 2. Obviously we're going to turn them right down at the moment, and we also have a pinpointer. There's our pinpointer right there, and this will run at discrimination 1, and coming down here will tell us what's going on concerning discrimination 2. So let's have a quick test, shall we? Okay, so what I've done is I've set up a hammered there, and I've set up a 50p piece there, and lastly I've set it up over here in what looks like dog's muck. I hope it's not. No, it's not, it's just a bit of mud. I have just a Roman. Okay, over here we have a tatty iron old bedspread horrible thing, which has got bits which would represent rusty old iron nails and things like that. Okay, so I just want to show you how this works. There's something there. I didn't put that there. Oh, anyway. Okay, so at the moment we have discrimination 1 and 2 completely turned off. All right, so we are basically working in an all metal mode at the moment. So, bam. Nice strong beep for the 50p. Nice strong beep for the hammered as well. Nice strong beep for that little Roman coin. We'll come over to the horrible iron mess over here, and we have a nice strong beep for that as well. So what we'll do is we'll turn our discrimination, the first one up to around about 4, probably about 4, probably about 5 for discrimination 2. Okay, this is where you need to spend some time with your detector. So discrimination 1, you don't want to go any further than 4, because there's a lot of metals that are similar to each other. So hammers can come up on the same scale as ring pulls and things like that. So you don't want to discriminate out too much, otherwise you're going to miss the little hammers. Okay, discrimination 2 for today, what we're going to do is just going to leave it around about 5. Right, okay, here we go. So what we'll do is now we'll come over to the tatty bit of metal, the bedspread, the iron, nothing. So that's how the discrimination works. So this is where things get a bit more interesting with this particular detector. I mean, I spent a lot of time with my 3MX and had some really good finds with that. But this is interesting. I'd say this is a step up from that. We have the typical pinpoint here, yeah? So if we have a target, we put pinpoint and that'll go straight over it. Just for example, there you go. Okay, so just an example, that's how the pinpointer works. Obviously the detector's down at the moment because I'm filming a video. So when it's stuck there, that's the pinpoint. When it's stuck in the middle, it's a discrimination 1. Okay, it's telling us what's going on concerning this. But we have further discrimination options with this when we pull down here, and that will tell us what's going on concerning this as well. So we have, what you're doing is it's almost like you're constantly asking it questions about beeps. You're constantly getting feedback as to what may be below you, and that's what's interesting me most. And I'm really looking forward to spending a bit more time with this detector and getting into how these all work together. But to me so far that looks really powerful, which is really obvious because it's a C.Scope detector, and they're normally very good at keeping things simple but keeping their power. So I'll tell you what, let's do a quick depth test, just a quick one. Right, let's get deep as possible. Now we're going really low. That's a very low hole down there. Doesn't look it because it's on camera, but let's try that. Okay, see you later 50p. There it goes, all the way down there. Okay, I'm going to try that. Yay! What is that? That's that's got to be 10 or 12 inches now. Let's try the pinpoint her. Wow. Well, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed with that. Yeah, that's a good detector, that is. So the C.Scope CS4MX. She is looking good, this one. She is looking good. Very, very impressed so far. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the review, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.